Welcome to the channel, everyone. Today I'm going to teach you how to manage your audio tracks inside of DaVinci Resolve. This should make it easier when navigating your timeline or just knowing what's going on at a quick glance. We will be renaming the audio tracks and also assigning different colors to organize them better. I also have a bonus tip for you at the end of the video to further help you organize your timelines in DaVinci Resolve. If you're not sure where to get your music, I get all of my music at upbeat.io. It is a free service, and I will leave a link in the description below if you want to check them out. Without wasting any more time, let's jump into DaVinci Resolve. Alright, so now we are in DaVinci Resolve, and in this first video I'm going to be showing you how to manage your tracks and color coordinate them so that you can organize your audio and your timeline better. Alright, so the first things first, you're going to want to rename. So you're going to come up here, you're just going to click, left click, and for this one, this is my VFX audio. This next one is going to be my A-roll audio for all of my main content. Track 3, we're going to click on it. We're going to rename this to B-roll audio. And last, on track 4, we're going to rename this to music audio. And now that we have all that situated, now you can look at a glance on the left side of your timeline and know what's what. If you're, say zoomed way out and you can't see, it can get hectic whenever you start doing a lot of sound design. So this is a good habit to get into. So next, you're going to come up and we're going to change the colors. And for this, you're just going to click right by where the text is, right click it, and you come down here to track color. And for these, you can pick them whatever you want, but I suggest that whatever you start using, get in the habit of using the same thing so that you get used to identifying that color. So for VFX, choose purple, zoom out a little bit, and now you can see over here that my timeline is purple. A-roll, come down here to change color, and this, gonna make it orange. As you can see, it turned orange. The rest of it all turns orange. My B-roll clips, come down here, change track, orange. Let's go with blue, offset it a little bit. So as you can tell, all of my B-roll clips are all now blue. And lastly, music, I'm going to choose to leave my music green. You can change it to whatever you want. And with that, that's how you manage all of your stuff. Now you can also, like the tip that I told you, you can come in here and you can change your video stuff too. So we're going to change video 1 to VFX video. Video 2 is going to be my A-roll video. Alright. And then video 3, we're going to make that our B-roll video. Alright, so we got that. And with these, we're going to change and make these the same colors. So for VFX, come down here to change track color, gonna make it purple. A-roll, gonna make orange, and you guessed it, with B-roll, we're gonna make it blue. And just like that, now if you come over here to your cut page, now everything will be color coordinated together so you know what's what at a quick glance. Thank you for watching and staying to the end of the video. I want to leave you with one more tip to help you stay organized better while you're working in DaVinci Resolve. That tip, it's pretty simple. You're going to basically do the same thing that we just did for the audio tracks, and you're going to use them on your video tracks as well, and separate them by your A roll, your B roll, you know, any kind of VFX that you've got going on. And again, you know, this will help color coordinate everything and help you get a little more organized in your projects. Take these tips and use them, and I know that your projects will become a lot more organized and more fluid over time. As always, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit the like button, as this helps us with the YouTube algorithm. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down in the comments below. I love to read them. It gives us feedback on our videos and helps us, you know, decide what videos to make next for you. So definitely don't be shy. And lastly, if you want to see more content like this, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell for notifications so that you know anytime that we go live with a new video. Thank you, and I will catch you on the next one.